To thrive in a global digital economy, your organization needs to enable access to critical data and applications, not only across employees, but across partners, consultants, customers, and geographies too. Yet, at the same time, you need to protect these resources from a wide range of threats. These can come from outsiders hacking into your systems, insiders with malicious intent, or even regular employees who inadvertently leave you exposed. So the question is, how do you protect your data and applications while ensuring access for those who need it? And how do you do this in an efficient and compliant manner that works for your organization and the way it operates? SAP Dynamic Authorization Management by Nextlabs can help. Traditional approaches to managing data access are based on IT controls that are pegged to user identities and roles. But maintaining these controls requires IT to constantly update user profiles and roles to allow for the proper access to sensitive data. And any change in user provisioning requires manual change orders and extensive testing to eliminate potential errors. All of this wastes time and resources. SAP Dynamic Authorization Management takes a different approach, using a model known as Attribute-Based Access Control, or ABAC. ABAC adds important contextual information, not only about the user, but also about the user's location, the device being used, and the nature or status of the data object being accessed. This gives you a more granular level of detail to determine whether or not access is granted. It's more flexible too. Instead of updating user roles every time a characteristic changes, you establish centralized policies that automatically determine who can have access to data. Those policies are applied to the user when they request access, taking into account the user's most current characteristics. This more effectively controls access to data and applications throughout the enterprise. It also dramatically simplifies access management duties for IT and users alike. And because SAP Dynamic Authorization Management supports view-level and field-level security controls, you can provide access down to a level that provides additional security for your most critical data. What's more, you get intuitive graphical interfaces for easier administration. Even non-technical users can manage and track policies throughout their lifecycle. And when it comes to changes, SAP Dynamic Authorization Management automates the process so that changes are made quickly, easily, and without errors. Compliance with data security policies and non-disclosure laws is streamlined too, with comprehensive tracking of all access activities associated with SAP application data. The result is the ability to highlight unusual access patterns or suspicious activity so that you can take action before breaches occur. And with a detailed audit trail, you can generate reports to demonstrate compliance with both internal policies and external regulations. SAP Dynamic Authorization Management by Nextlabs puts you on the road to automated user provisioning for your SAP systems. It simplifies administration for IT and users alike, and it drives compliance with comprehensive visibility into access activities for all of your SAP data. To find out more, visit us at sap.com/Dynamic Authorization Management.